Car repairs can be expensive, and many drivers turn to extended vehicle protection plans to avoid unexpected costs. CarShield is one of the most well-known auto protection companies, but is it legit or a scam? In this review, we'll analyze CarShield services, benefits, customer experiences, and whether it's worth the investment. What is CarShield? CarShield is an auto protection company that offers extended vehicle service contracts to cover repairs after a manufacturer's warranty expires. Unlike traditional warranties provided by car manufacturers, CarShield plans work like vehicle protection insurance, covering specific repair costs based on the selected plan. CarShield coverage plans. CarShield offers a variety of coverage options to fit different needs and budgets, including Diamond Plan, covers nearly all mechanical and electrical repairs, similar to a factory warranty. Platinum Plan, ideal for high-mileage vehicles, covering major components like the engine, transmission, and electrical system. Gold Plan, provides essential protection for the powertrain and other critical parts. Silver Plan, a budget-friendly option covering the most expensive repairs, like the engine and transmission. Motorcycle and ATV coverage, extends protection beyond cars to cover motorcycles and ATVs. CarShield benefits. CarShield promotes itself as a cost-effective alternative to paying for repairs out of pocket, offering flexible payment plans, monthly plans with no long-term contracts. Roadside assistance, available 24/7 to help with breakdowns, towing, and lockouts. Rental car coverage, provides a rental vehicle while your car is being repaired. Choice of repair shops, you can take your car to any certified mechanic or dealership. Is CarShield a scam or legit? CarShield is a legitimate auto protection company, but like any service, experiences vary. Some customers appreciate the affordable coverage and flexibility, while others report claims being denied due to exclusions in the contract. It's crucial to read the terms and conditions to understand what is and isn't covered before signing up. Is CarShield worth it? CarShield can be a good option for drivers looking to protect themselves from expensive car repairs, but it's important to choose the right plan and review the contract details carefully. If you're considering CarShield, compare plans and customer reviews to ensure it meets your specific needs.